Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we've got blooper reel number 18. Well, the question was asked on an update episode of the show as to whether or not you guys wanted to see the blooper reel continue. With 17 episodes of it under our belt, I didn't want to wear it out. But the response was actually overwhelming. There was quite a lot of emails, messages, comments of guys saying that they want the blooper reel to return, that it's a fun little way to kind of let loose on a Tuesday and have a couple laughs. And in this world that we're living in, what's wrong with a few laughs, even if they are at my expense? So guys, without further ado, let's get into the mess ups. Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, I don't even know what to call this.
Glue gun's not ready.
And I don't know what that was. I don't know. Hang on. Let me get a drink. Okay, try it again. And that lights up. I mean, a Christmas tree ornament that lights up. This isn't working. Let's try this again. And what you end up with is something off screen. Longest point from and this battery compartment controls these fairy lights that just fell on the floor. Whoa! Showed it on that, let's start over. A book of, let's start over. What's wrong with me today? Because it's cold in here. Clever Bear. Let's start over. And with that done, no, let's press record. Oh, it is recording. It's been a fantastic year. Guy. Sometimes you agree, sometimes you don't. No, let's start over. Coming up in the new year seasons. Oh, let's start this whole thing over. This is a horrible clip. Was making a pizza peel. You know what? Why am I standing here when I should be here? I could be putting the... Darn it. Just need the measurement from the top. It's not even pointing at the right thing. Jeez Louise. Okay, let's do this. Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we're making a retro... crap. You place it under the child's pillow. Guys, just a little warning here. There's a dirty lens and you won't be able to see what I'm showing you. Warning over. Get the gum out of my mouth. And there you have it. Using light burn to make accurate... At the end of the 2020... start over. Guys, the following clips do include film... On this week's show, we've got part 2 of our Toys and Joys... can't speak. Take 3. And at this point, you should have a piece that... Am I recording? Yes. Well, it's this... Well, it's... on here on the 3/8 side. Focus hates me. Let's try this again. Excuse me. And once again, unfortunately, we have run out of time. Why is this thing squawking? I shut you off. One moment. And unfortunately, we have run into... And unfortunately, we have run out of... a lot of energy. Well, I've gone over to the rack and got a piece of scrap and ripped... Made me laugh. We are recording, right? Yes. Oops. Yep, recording. Well, hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, it's part 6 of our Toys and Joys dump truck and pup truck build. Hope you don't get sick from this. Well, hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, it's part 5 of our Toys and Joys dump truck and... Well, we kind of finished up on a cliffhanger last with wheels and 2 of the 2.5-inch wheels. One moment, I have a piece of something stuck in my sharpener. Well, hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we're looking at the... And there you have it. The Great Carve... I forgot the name. And there you have it. I almost said Blooper Reel. Starting over. And there you have it. I did it again. Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we are looking at the We Create... What's it called? Something about the laser has to be different. It has to... Oh, pardon me. Excuse me. That one snuck up on me. Okay. I'll start that clip over again. I have a tickle in my nose, too. I feel like I have to sneeze. I mean, there's only so many open frame laser engravers that you can check out. And there's only so many laser... Let's start over. That does not make any sense. See, I told you it wasn't scripted. I don't even know what I'm saying. To verify. Because let's say you're going to engrave something and you forget to refresh your camera. You click on focus, engrave, etc. It engraves it, but it messes it all up because it's... Ghosts. I gotta start that whole thing over again. Dag nabbit. And there you have it. Well, hell yeah. Oh my goodness, this is not going well. On this week's show, we are taking a first look at the We Create Okie dokie. And there you have it. Push. There's one. Now push the other ones. Here.
Ah! Don't break it! I told you there was glue on the clamp.
have it. Blooper reel number 18. Guys, there is no shortage of clips of me messing up. With producing 2 shows a week and a format that is completely unscripted, one that is just spewed out as I think of it in my mind, there's bound to be mistakes. There's bound to be mess ups. Working alone in the shop, sometimes trying to clamp something up that is too large for one person to handle, you end up with things getting messed up that way too. So whether it be a physical blooper that something bad happens that way, or whether it be some tongue-tied episode where I just can't get the words out, it's all fun and games. It's all a blast. It's a good chuckle. And you know what? It's nice to just relax and say, don't worry about it. Everybody makes mistakes. Let's take that and have some fun with it. If you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. We've got a fantastic audience base, guys, and I seriously hope that you're going to consider becoming a part of that. I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you've enjoyed the show. I hope you were able to get a couple laughs and a couple chuckles at my little blunders and bloopers. And more importantly, I hope you're going to join me again next week when I bring you yet another Alternative Tuesdays.